Avery Bradley with the deflection against Bang. Oh, Morant! What an incredible
book. Third double-double of the season. But you hear the chance of defense. That's what it is all about. Morant on the draw and just erupts over the top of Baines for the right-hand slam.
Trying to knock it away. Sexton did knock it away. And Ja going for the big-time hammer. And comes up with nothing. Morant cuts through. Oh, my goodness. And an offensive foul on Morant.
Time national AAU champion Grant Hill. 120 to 99. Ja Morant bringing out.
And Dillon takes it away. Lob. Morant! With one hand off the setup from. With a knockaway. Grizzlies with numbers. Lob. Morant! Great setup by Brooks.
Come on now. All right. Get your phones up. Oh, here we go.
Oh, man. 52 off the bench. Last time the Grizzlies were here, the bench had 85 and powered them to the win. Oh, wow. Just because. Yeah. Why not?